Hey guys, and welcome back to Star Stable. We're here with Nightstar, and I told you guys that next time we'd be back helping Polly and Penny, and I just checked on my schedule, and it's 6:34 or 35 in Germany right now, so I am going to go look for Spirit, because my schedule says that Spirit is supposed to be in Fort Pinta right now. And you guys are probably like, where are you going? Fort Pinta's in the different direction. But normally Spirit doesn't see, here he is. He doesn't really like going close to cities. And guys, this is like a tip. If you see those green flying stuff, see, this went to the side, to the left side, that means Spirit is on the left side. Just a quick tip for you guys. So yeah, we're with Spirit. Oh, the picture is so amazing. Spirit looks at you calmly, breathing slowly as he is shaking his head. It feels like Spirit wants to find something. When you think more about it, you realize it's not something, but a place he wants to find. If I ride and show the way to the place that Spirit wants to see, I'm sure he'll be happy. Oh, okay, I know that place. Let's go. Let's go, Spirit. The funny thing is that when you run, Spirit doesn't follow you. He's just like, yep. Oh, does he? Wait, if I turn here, does he follow me? Is he following me and I've never noticed it before? Sorry, my fault. My fault. Very much my fault. Is he actually following me, guys? No, okay. So let's quickly go get to this place and then we will be helping Penny and Polly with their pony race. Not too many peas or anything. Yeah, Nightstar, we got this. Good landing, buddy. Buddy. Nightstar, what was that? Why can you not go backwards, Nightstar? What is up with you? What is up with you and jumping sometimes? You know, like, jump, nah, let's just not jump, you know. Jumping is exaggerated anyway, right? There it is, guys. All the people are also there, kind of like, yeah. The music is so awesome. It's from Spirit Riding Free, the series. Gonna ride, I'm riding free. Okay, sorry guys. Got a little carried away there. Did you guys know, you guys probably know that JoJo Siwa is in the game if you've watched my videos before. Anyway, you know, I didn't know, after completing some of her quests, you can actually go and search for her bows. Hello. Spirit rubs against you happily. He seems grateful that you brought him to the place he wants to see. Nice work. You have become better friends with Spirit. He will have a new quest for you. Okay. So now let's go help Penny and Polly with the pony race. Okay. It's never gonna get old, guys, right? It's already old? Yeah, that's what I thought. Totally knew that. Okay, I'm sorry guys, but my internet doesn't seem to be working so well right now. So, oh, I'm sorry, Nightstar. All the people just chilling up there. Oh, by the way, guys, I have my own riding club now, and you guys are free to join. Yeah, that's it. Pretty much it. So now let's go find Penny and Polly. I am going to go check if I can find some better internet. This really isn't working out for me. Sorry, Nightstar. Trying to walk while riding a horse, you know? Normal for everybody around here. know I'm not going super fast, guys, but I'm sorry, Nightstar, I'm sorry. I am truly sorry, but like, yeah, now the internet's working a bit better already. Hello, Polly. Polly! Nightstar! What was that? Nightstar, you're being very rude to Penny. You just walked by her. How dare you? Yes, it was very rude. Yes, it was. Stop it. Stop complaining. Polly, sorry, Polly. Okay, are you ready to test out our pony competition? We are really excited to see how it goes. I hope it's fun. We've been planning this for months now. You need to ride a pony to be able to ride in this competition. But I'm sure you understand that by now, right? Oh, one more thing. I don't know if you've learned to jump with your regular horse yet, but you can ride in the pony championship without jumping at all. The course is easier if you can jump. We have designed it so that both beginners and expert riders can enjoy the course. That's good. Good luck! Cannot enter this race. Aw, if you're not riding a pony. So I guess we're gonna go buy a pony now. So I'm going to do this in an easier way. You guys are probably like, how stupid is she? She just went back all the way to Moreland. But there's a trailer right here, so we're just gonna shimmy over there a bit. Okay, there's like a humongous storm that might be cutting off the internet a bit. Yeah, you guys might even hear it. It's terrible right now. I don't know, you guys should tell me. Are you scared of storms? Are you not? Be honest. Be honest. Be honest. To be honest. I'm actually kind of scared about storms too. So, like, you're not the only one. So I will meet you guys at the ponies. About that was like not okay. Anyway, yeah, so we're with the Jorvik ponies right now. Yeah, so they're all the Jorvik ponies, and I've seen them before, and I've never really thought of which one I'd like to get. I was kind of leaning on this black one, because I love Spuddy Butts. I think they're so cute. Or on this like sunset one. Because my dream goal is to collect all of them. Every horse breed in the world. Or in Jorvik's world. And then I saw this guy. And you're like, Emma, why are you so stupid? This was the horse you were filming at when you entered the game. And yes, I know. Anyway, it's because Nightstar is black, and I thought, well, how awesome would it be to have a white horse? Because, like, we don't have any yet. So, let's just check right into this. So this one's $450. For me, price kind of matters. I know I get star coins every week, but I still don't want to, like, exaggerate with my star coins. $550. And the price might change my mind too. Okay, that sounded really stupid, but $550. So I think I'm actually gonna go with the white one. So I think the white one's pretty awesome. What about you guys? You guys should tell me what your favorite Jorvik pony is. $350. Oh, this is the typical brown. Nightstar's kind of brown on the nose, so I don't know. $450. Oh, he's also $450, like the white one. So, I don't know. Nightstar, what do you think? And if we buy a new Jorvik pony, we're also going to have to get a saddle pet for him in the next few videos. Okay, guys, I'm buying my first pony / horse on the game. And guys, it's gonna be this one. Buy horse! Yes, guys! Oh my god. I was kind of leaning on like ice, air, 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 air angel. Air angel. What about air angel? Anti-gazer, party strawberry, thunder crown. I'm going to go with air angel because I think that suits him pretty well, or her, sorry. Or air beauty. No, we already have beauty on Star Stable horses. So yeah, guys, we just bought our first horse. Congratulations on your new horse. Your new fine horse will be delivered to your home stable. You'll find it in its box stall in your stable. Good luck with your new horse, guys! Oh my god, we're gonna go check that out right away. Yes! Oh my god, that's awesome. Actually, we already have a saddle pet for him. We could just put Oreo back with Nightstar. Or Oreo, because Oreo's also white. That's why I named him Oreo. Like, no. Guys, oh my god, guys. You do not know how excited I am. Oh my god. You literally cannot tell how excited I am. Oh my god, oh my god. And I've never bought a horse or a pony on Star Stable ever. Oh my god. Shoot, I don't have any tack for him. And you know what? We're gonna go old school with no bridle. Range horses, yes, guys, guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. People probably don't flip out as much as I do, but like, oh my god. He's so small. He is so small. Why are you so small, Eric? Oh my god. And Jorvik ponies are supposed to be good jumpers. And good first ponies. Oh my god, Air Angel. Oh my god. I am in love. I am so in love. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I will see you guys at Pony and Polly. Or you guys might want to see, so I will be seeing you guys in Fort Pinta.